Hi, friends. All right, we're going to practice some subtraction together today. And do you guys remember our subtraction chant? Whole number, take away a part, equals a part, smaller number. Because now when we subtract, we start with the biggest number and we take away. So everyone say subtract means take away. Adding's been the opposite. Adding we put together. Subtraction, we're going to take away, because when we take away a part, we get another part that's left, and it's a really small number. Okay, kindergartners. So we started learning our very first subtraction strategy. Today we learned, or this whole week we've been learning, I can use counters as your subtraction strategy. And you're probably thinking to yourself, didn't we learn counters, how to use that as a strategy for adding? And yes, you're absolutely right. But there's a little bit of a difference when we use counters for subtraction than with adding. For subtraction, we only use one color or one thing because we have to start with the whole number. When we're doing adding, we need two colors or two different parts. Not for subtraction. We need one color because we start with the whole number. So I need you to go grab your beads, which are your counters, because you have enough of them to do the problems we're going to practice, and your subtraction mat and your whiteboard marker. We're going to practice some problems on our board. Don't worry about the bracelets today, just the counters.
And make sure you're doing it right along with Miss O.
Yep. Remember, press pause if you need to wait to get your stuff. All right, I'm going to put our first subtraction problem in our number sentence, okay? I'm going to do one that starts with a 10. I'm going to do 10, take away 8, equals, So remember, this symbol right here is the minus symbol. We've been used to be seeing the plus symbol or the adding symbol. We're not using that symbol right now. We're using the subtraction or the minus symbol. So 10 minus 8 equals, And then I'm going to put it in my math language too. 10 take away 8 makes, Okay, so this is different. I got to start with the whole number. So I'm going to take out 10 counters. That's the biggest number. So I'm going to put 10 counters here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And once you have your whole number, I want you to circle it. That's our whole number. I'm going to put a W, whole number, and I'm going to put 10. Because we're going to start with the whole number. Remember, press pause because you should be doing this along with me. So you're going to take some time, get your whole set up. Now I'm going to take away a part. Can you guys look at our number sentence and our math language and think to yourself, what part are we going to take away? How many are we going to take away? 8. You're right. If you were thinking 8, you're right. So I'm going to take away 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to circle that. That's the part I took away. And that was 8. So 10, take away 8, equals, what do we have left? Let's move that over here. What do we have left? What part's left? Can you guys see it really fast? 2. You're right, there's only 2 left. So 10 minus 8 equals 2, or 10 take away 8 makes 2. So I was able to use my counters and my adding mat here to show that. Because I started with my whole number, I took away a part, and what I have left, my equals, is 2. All right, kindergartners, I'm going to erase and we're going to do another problem together, and then I have some problems you're going to do on your boards, just like we're doing now. All right, so I have some problems here. You do not have this sheet. I just have it for myself because I wanted to make sure I knew what problems we were going to do. And I'm going to have us start here. We're going to do the very top problem together. It's going to be another one where we start with 10. So we're going to do 10 minus 3 equals, Remember, that's the minus symbol. So I'm going to put that equation in here. So I had 10 is going to be my whole number. And I'm going to take away, or minus 3. I'm going to put in my math language, 10, take away 3.
You should be writing this with Miss O.
10 minus 3 equals, that's our number sentence. And now our math language is 10 take away 3 makes, And that's our first problem from some problems that I have. All right, we're going to start just like we did before. What's our whole number? Our biggest number? 10. So I'm going to put my 10 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's my 10. And then I'm going to circle it because it's our whole number. Circle my whole number. W with the W, whole. And I'm going to put 10. That's our whole number. And then whole number, take away a part. Let's take away a part. Minus. What are we going to minus or take away, everyone? What part?
3.
Ooh, Miss Light's on it. Are you guys on it? Did you think 3 too? All right, I'm going to take away 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to circle that. Here's my part that I took away. That was 3. Ooh, what does it equal now? What do I have left? Let me put these over here and see what I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I had 7 left. That's my missing part that was left. 10 minus 3 equals 7. 10 take away 3 makes 7. So I'm going to write that on my board over here too. You guys don't have these. But if you wanted to get a white piece of paper, you're more than welcome. You could do that as well. All right, kindergartners, I want you to continue to do exactly what we did here. But now you're going to do it for 3 more problems. You're going to do it for 12 minus 5 equals, You're going to use counters as your strategy for 11 minus 7 equals, And you're going to do it for 14 minus 6 equals, That one's going to probably be a challenge problem, but I know you can do it. So we want you to solve each one of these subtraction problems using counters. Look at my mat. When you decide you did 1, 2, or 3, we want you to take a picture of your mat and show us your work for one of these problems. And your board should look similar to ours. You'll just have a different whole number and a different part that you took away. But we want to see your math thinking on your board. We want you using your counters. We want you to circle your whole number, take away the part, circle it. See what the part is that you have left, circle it, because subtraction is take away. You should always end up with a smaller number than what you started with. We can't wait to see your math thinking and you using counters as your subtraction strategy.